खिताब। उम्मीद करते हैं कि वो लोग राइज करेंगे बड़े मैच में।
सुनने में आ रहा है कि बाबर आज नहीं खेल रहे हैं, इस डिसीजन को किस तरह आप लोग देख रहे हैं?
अगर ऐसा है तो अफसोसनाक बात है, लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि उनके एक्सपीरियंस से फ़ायदा उठाना चाहिए, उनको खिलाना चाहिए।
बाकी फ़खर वगैरह नाफे जितने भी लड़के हैं उनके हवाले से आप लोग क्या कहेंगे, क्योंकि मैच बड़ा
सर देखें, जब इस किट में मौजूद है ना तो सारे टीम, सारे प्लेयर चाहे नए हो पुराने हो, सब एक साथ हैं। वही वाली बात जो मैंने पहले कही थी, जुड़ के खेलेंगे, मिल के खेलेंगे, टीम की तरह खेलेंगे तो जरूर जीतेंगे।
Pakistan.
Yeah. And I studied in Pakistan.
What's the reason behind?
Studied in Pakistan.
Yeah, that's why I'm supporting Pakistan.
Which city?
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. Okay. And you?
Who is your favorite player
Both.
in Pakistan? Who is your favorite?
I don't know. I have no favorite players in Pakistan. I'm just
Not
supporting
even Babar Azam.
No, not favorite, but it's fine.
Okay.
नहीं तो हम जीतेंगे तो इंशाल्लाह
जीतेंगे, जीतेंगे।
अच्छा, आप अपनी हम देखते हैं कि सोशल मीडिया पे अक्सर आपकी जो वाइफ है उनके साथ बड़ी ज़बरदस्त वीडियो आ रही है।
जी।
तो उनको मिस कर रहे हैं या पे उनको साथ ही लेके आए? अमूमन आप उनके साथ ही बहुत सारा content
देखें,
किया है।
वो बड़ा क्रिकेट से डिसअपॉइंट हो चुकी, तो उन्होंने क्रिकेट थोड़ा बहुत देखना छोड़ दिया। तो मेरा जज्बा हमेशा जिंदा रहता है। तो वो भी कहते हैं आप क्यों जा रहे हैं, मैंने कहा यार पाकिस्तान है, जाना पड़ता है तो देखने, तो इसलिए सपोर्ट करने हैं अपनी टीम को। क्रिकेट फ़ैन है, रहेंगे इंशाल्लाह।
You are supporting Pakistan today?
Yeah, just because these guys are useless now. That's the only reason, not for anything else. And I hope they can qualify, because, like, I mean, at least qualify now, right?
Babar Azam fan.
No.
So we want Pakistan to qualify
Yeah,
we want
because
Pakistan to qualify so that the final happens in Sri Lanka.
that's also one of the reasons, of course. But at least,
national income.
Do you think Pakistan can qualify?
I mean, there's a chance, right? There's a possibility, but I think with the cricket they've been playing lately, it's a 50-50, of course. But then, yeah, we cannot be affirmative that Pakistan would qualify. And yeah, Sri Lanka is being shit, so been playing shit cricket all these days. So yeah, they have the chance, of course, to qualify.
So you want the final to be here in Sri Lanka?
Yeah, that would be nice. But then I don't think a lot of people would be even going though, because the crowd will be coming from abroad, most probably, even if the final is held in Sri Lanka, or even if the semi-final is held in Sri Lanka, I think.
If semi-final and final happens in Sri Lanka,
Yeah,
would you go to support Pakistan?
most probably, yeah. If it's against India, definitely I would go to support Pakistan. We went for the previous match as well, but hard luck, Yeah, hopefully they, get a chance to beat India
Who
again.
is your favorite player in Pakistan?
Right now, I think Sabada Farhan has been playing good, and I think Babar should be dropped at the moment because he's not been performing lately, right? Yeah, so that is it.
He has been my favorite player, not currently,
Why?
because he's underperforming these days.
Okay, so any other player in Pakistan team you are looking for?
I have been liking Shahibzada Farhan's performance recently because he has been very aggressive from the start. So that I have.
Do you think that Pakistan can achieve, Pakistan have to beat Sri Lanka?
Pakistan is a very unpredictable team. See, at the last, even 2022 World Cup, South Africa lost the last match and they won against some other team and they went to the semi-final and again went to the final as well. Still, we'll hope so. Pakistan can do wonders.
Do you know about Qudrat ka Nizam?
Qudrat ka Nizam, no idea.
So, you are supporting today Pakistan.
Of course.
So what's your expectation? Pakistan could qualify?
I think they can. They have to play really well, but they can for sure.
So who will be the guy who can Pakistan?
I think Farhan has to bat really well and Tariq has to bowl really well, then there's a chance.
So where are you from?
I'm from Germany.
Germany.
Yeah.
So supporting Pakistan.
So do you watch?
My wife is from Pakistan, so I support Pakistan.
Okay. Please share your thoughts as well. Excuse me. Please.
Yeah.
So you are from Pakistan.
Yeah.
Okay. So do you think that Pakistan team can qualify? They need to, get
We
this
hope.
target.
We can only hope.
Who is your favorite batter or bowler?
Right now, Farhan is good, and in bowling, I think Tariq and maybe Shaheen.
What about Babar Azam?
Babar, I mean, he's not so good anymore. He has to retire.
आती है आपको?
जी.
उर्दू में थोड़ा बोल दें। कैसा लग रहा है पाकिस्तान आज खेलने जा रहा है, सेमीफाइनल के लिए बड़ी होप है?
Excited हैं यहाँ पे पहला लाइव मैच हम देख रहे हैं तो I think it's pretty exciting. Yeah.
Few seconds.
So इनको आती है